How to set the auto on-off timer. Open the Locator app. As you can see, we already have two bulbs connected, and I will demonstrate that front porch 2 is connected by the toggle switch and bulb lighting up. To set the timer, press the gear wheel beside the toggle switch of the bulb you want to program, then select Set Auto On-Off. Next, we need to create an on schedule. Press the red circle in the bottom right of the screen. Now create a name for this bulb's schedule. We will just use Front Porch 2, then hit OK. Now let's set the time. Use your finger and roll the desired time around for the hour and the minute, then select AM or PM. We will set the on time for 11:51 AM. And last, select On at the bottom and then hit the Save button in the upper right of your screen. Now, as you can see, we have our own schedule listed at the top of the screen. Next, let's create a schedule for the off time. Press the red circle to create a new schedule and input the name you wish, then hit OK. Next, roll the desired time around and choose AM or PM. We will choose 11:52 AM for the off time, and of course select Off at the bottom and then hit Save in the upper right of the screen. Now you should see both on and off schedules for your selected bulb. Now let's pull up a clock and watch it work. And just a few seconds to spare. As you can see, the bulb turned on when programmed. Now if we go back into the Locator app, you will see that after a few seconds the toggle switch will turn red on the home screen, letting you know that that particular bulb is now on. While we wait for the off time, a couple points. You can turn the timer off for a specific schedule by pressing the toggle switch beside that particular schedule, but it will remain saved until you delete it. Lastly, be sure and select the days you wish to have the schedule time used or not used. The days are all default selected on the timer set screen. Just press the day of the week you want to deselect and it will turn gray, turning off the timer for that day. And as you can see, the time of 11:52 came around and the bulb turned off as we had programmed it. This is a super easy and useful tool for your everyday lighting around your home, no matter how many bulbs you have connected. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure and watch our other videos here on the website. And just remember, when mere seconds count, be visible and be found with the Locator.